Here at Joshua Tree PT, Physical Therapy, we use Khaz-aw-el lotion exclusively on all the patients for many different kinds of conditions, from arthritis, muscle strain, swelling, cramping in the muscles, tightness in joints, and it works very well. Khaz-aw-el, we're going to show you a little bit on how to use this today on different areas of the body, particularly the hand and the knee. We're going to show you a little bit on how to get this in for arthritis. There's different ways to use the Khaz-aw-el for different conditions, but overall, in general, I show you the all-purpose way to use this so that you will get the kind of results that we get here at the clinic. So, according to the condition that a person has, especially as we start to get older, a lot of people will start to have arthritis in the joints. Khaz-aw-el works extremely well in joints that are very superficial, if you want to call it that you can get to the bony prominence quite easy without going down through layers of muscle. So the way I usually work it with my patients is I'll get some on there. I'll start to work it into the whole area. That will start to reduce some of the swelling and some of the pain, especially if they have a lot of pain. Work it in. I usually let it sit for anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, just working it in nice and gentle. And then what we will do is we'll come back and we'll ask the patient, okay, move your hand a little bit, okay? And we'll ask them, what are you feeling right now? Someone, well, it feels a little bit better, but this joint, or this joint in particular, with most patients, is the one that seems to be the one that bothers them the most. So we will come back in and we will get another layer or coat on that, and then we work it into the joint. Now I have found that if I don't put a first coat on that and I try to work it into an arthritic joint, the patient doesn't tolerate it. So if you have an arthritic joint, you want to take and get a good layer of Khaz-aw-el on there, let it sit for a little bit, 3 to 5 minutes, and then come back in and then target deep into the joint, way down in there, okay? And then, of course, you can do surrounding bones, whatever's hurting you, come into it. And then you just move that joint around a little bit and you will feel quite a difference. Okay? So you don't have to take any drugs with this. I have had a lot of people that have had problems with their hands for years. They use this once or twice a day and they're functional with relatively little pain. In summary, using Khaz-aw-el on the hand, we can use this for arthritis, strains, sprains, of various joints in the hands, for swelling, but you have to use it correctly. You want to, if it's a severe case, acute, you want to use it 2 to 4 times a day. And you want to apply it just like I said. You want to try to get a coat in first so that it calms it down, and then you go back and you use it again, and this time you drive it into the joint or into the muscle. If you continually use it as prescribed, you will see significant reduction in swelling and also in arthritic joints. If you experience any of these conditions in the hand, review the video a couple times so you know how to use the Khaz-aw-el. And if you have any questions about the Khaz-aw-el and how to use it, to apply it, you can give us a call at our office.